Wait, is that a diamond?
Where? If it is, it's yours to keep. Hey guys, we're at Crater of Diamonds State Park here in Arkansas. This is the only diamond mine in the United States that's open to the public. And so whatever we find today, we get to keep. And what's our mission?
To find a diamond for each other. We're camping right inside the park tonight. The sites are clean, full hookups and showers. It's actually a great setup. So this spot sits right on top of an ancient volcanic crater. And it's the only one in the world that's open to the public. Millions of years ago, magma pushed up diamonds to the surface, and now they're literally sitting up there waiting to be found. The largest diamond that was found was named Uncle Sam. It weighed a whopping 24 carats. Alright Steph, where should we start? I'm doing a flyover now.
I think we should do it, the plant. Prospector Trail. Prospector Trail. Why are we here, you ask? Well, our mission today is to find diamonds for each other and perhaps get it made into jewelry.
This is what we're looking for. Here's what we're using today. We got a couple of screens here, a fine one and a rough one here. We got ourselves a bucket. We have ourselves a shovel that's supposed to not give us blisters, we'll see. And of course, because of our knees, etc., we have these mats which we bought from home. So this stuff we rented as a package deal. We also got this trusty cart here as well, which we're going to use to pull our stuff around, because it's 40 acres basically of searching. So this little package here costs us about $115, but I've been told we're going to get 85 of it back. So the rest of it's just for a deposit in case we decide to take it home.
And yes, dogs are welcome and allowed to roam the diamond mine. And to prepare for today in our outfit, it's going to be a sunny day, so of course we have our trusty hat, we have our sunnies, we have a backpack to hold any snacks and cameras, 2 water bottles. They have a filling station at the Discovery Center as well as one at the rental center, and sunscreen, which I don't know where it is, somewhere in here. And that's all. Green down here.
Yeah, the green is
good. So
good.
this is all volcanic soil, right? Volcanic. Yeah. There's other gemstones that you can find, not just diamonds. So whatever we find,
so
we keep.
What are we doing here? As the sun's coming down, you see anything shining, you may have a chance. You know.
And they say you don't have to dig very far deep to find them. They're usually pretty much 6 to 12 inches from the surface. Diamonds are yellow, white, and brown.
So someone can stick it to my finger.
The size of a match head.
Tips to find diamonds. Not that I'm any expert, but from what I've been told is when the sun's out and it's low, you scan the surface and you look for them glistening. So the second bit of advice is go where the water drains. That's where they get washed down when there's rain. There hasn't been rain in a while, but there might be some here in this mud pile, who knows. Thirdly, don't dig down more than a foot.
Daniel is filling up this bucket here, and we're going to bring it to the wash station and see what we can find, if we find any small gems or diamonds. This is our first time doing this, so we don't know what we're doing. Write in the comments if we're doing it all wrong. There he goes. How heavy is the bucket? what's the protocol here? All right. Daniel's
So I
gonna
guess
sift.
stiff through. And there's those rocks. And then further on.
And then you get the finer mesh. Oh.
Because of course all the diamonds being here.
Anything shining, guys. Yellow, brown, or clear. That's straight up wood. So I'm just finding clumps, breaking them, seeing if things sparkle. There's a lot of people here and they seem to have a good method, or they seem to have a good method and know what they're doing. A lot of people are at the washing stations, wet shifting what they find. And there's Daniel in his element. Finally get to Rockhound and dig. So it's about noon right now and we arrived here about 9. Let us show you our findings. And none of them are diamonds. So these are found mostly by Daniel. Would you like to explain your findings, Daniel?
I can attempt to, not that I'm an expert. I believe that's called conglomerate because it's a whole bunch of stones that are kind of together. This is my my favourite one. I think it's jasper. It's kind of cool. Again, piece of conglomerate. I think that might be jasper. And this is one that I call a sandwich. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like a sandwich of different quartz, maybe jasper, that kind of thing.
Oh,
that
this one.
Cutting rock.
This one, yeah, cutting rock or spare rib bone.
I think there's some mica or
No,
quartz.
these little ones here.
All those little guys there that glisten to you in the light and get you all excited.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, no, not what we're looking for. But we shall keep looking. Do you know what, Steph? This is bullshit. Looks like you're tired.
Yeah, I feel like I've just been playing in the dirt all day, digging, with no real reward. Yeah.
Wow, look at that praying mantis. That thing's huge. So we're taking a little walk at the end of the day after a hard day's mining with the dog. Just walking around the campsite down to the river trail. See what we can see. So when we got back, I found this shiny little rock in my pocket and I thought, wow, is this a diamond? This is it, early retirement. I ran it through ChatGPT, doing all the tests, the scratch test, the fog test and the luster. And then ChatGPT gently breaks the news that it's quartz. No diamond, just a piece of quartz. But that's the hunt, and hey, now I know what a real diamond shouldn't look like. So here we are, after a day's worth of digging, exhausted and ready to chill out by the fire and have a drink.
Did he find any diamonds? Sadly, no. But it was a good experience, and it was fun to be out there in the field and see all the other diamond hunters out and about. There are some real serious guys or people out there digging, like.
What was the name of the guy? I forget now. He lost his job and decided to become an expert diamond hunter, and that's what his job was, hunting diamonds. He was able to put his kids through college.
Pay off all his bills.
Pay off all his bills.
Yeah, and he died out in the field apparently. Not sure from what.
Well, that's dedication for you. He must have loved what he was doing,
Yeah.
and I can understand the thrill of the hunt for sure.
Yeah, I think he definitely enjoyed it more than I did. It was fun though. It was fun being out there together.
Thanks for joining us along our adventure today.
And join us next time for our future adventures to come.
And cheers, everyone.